soon. Oh. Hi, Mr. Weenie.
Hi, baby. Nice show, right?
Yeah. It's so open over here.
Yeah, you can see it good.
Foggy out here, or is it just the times?
No, it gets foggy out here. You're surrounded.
Can't be from the fireworks, is it?
It's a mist that you get. Cool water. That's a dampness. That's the mist. There's a big display over there, over here. Tom wanted to bring some of this down.
Do me a favor, can you?
Yeah. Thank you. I'll see you.
Yes, always.
You're not working tomorrow, right?
Hell no.
You stop over tomorrow.
I'm an American.
Uh-huh. Well, it used to be. Okay, ready for your good trip?
A long drive with 3 girls. Yes.
They're not there. No. See, Lauren. Then you say, yeah, she can talk. Johnny, come over there.
They're not high enough.
This is like moisture that's here all the time. Even in the winter, you get this freaking shit. It's moisture.
Like
But
London.
you know why you get it? Because you got cold and hot all the time. Like it's hot, it's cold.
This must be what it looks like in London, huh? Where you always see all the movies, but it's like
It's always misty.
misty like this.
Yeah. But they get an awful lot of rain in London.
Yeah.
Have you ever noticed though, you see on the news when the Queen is having her colors, the parade of colors, it's always freaking bright and sunny. They're pretty, the big ones are nice. This guy over here, he has some lights.
Even this guy, they spent a lot of money. Almost $50.
They're expensive. It's actually one of the expensive. I spend my money on that shit.
Well, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. You gotta buy the big stuff. You can sit like on our back porch lately every 4th of July.
Yeah,
Sit
I
there
see
and
it.
watch a fire show.
Yeah.
Them fools spend all their money on that.
I watch it on TV. It's more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Bye. Oh boy.
Nobody did.